Kalumpong Yelekai Karate ki Skul balatip kum ka 32nd State Level Inter-School Karate Tournament arhajar arpun reo ya ka balapenlong da ka All Meghalaya Karate Do Association AMKA lasdaya ka nadu mentakasngi arphulai tarik naitung balapenlong ha multi-purpose indoor hall kasai STC NEHU Shillong. Hakani kekenti ke Bynta ki Skul baro balawan Shim Bynta ki long Haduh shispa arpun riu tuli bat ki kena ki bayalek kai ki lekenjo syaka praspa arngut kentai bat shenrang. Ukong san balalit banpli ya kani kejing elek kai u dei u co-chairman ka Meghalaya State Planning Board badai artar working president ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association ba John F Karshiyeng bat sembut kong san u dei u general secretary ka MSOA ba finally el pariat bat layadan langru u joint secretary MSOA ba pi lalu lemat kiwei kiriu pau khmat bat kumju kinong yalam bat kinong kitkam jong ka AMKA. Ha kajing yalang play kladon ru kajing penkup buram ya ki arngut ki klur elek kai ki badang hakatayau baladap ki lala ban khur ya tak maksiar bat tak marnong na karensan elek kai jong ka 10th Cadet Junior Under 21 and Senior South Asian Karate Championship arhajar arpun reo balalong hanong ba Dhaka Bangladesh nadu khatsan hadu khat khandai tarik mentau benai. Kini ki arngut balapan kup burom yaki do kongsan bat sembut kongsan kilong u Daniel Dabyang Khhuborjylla balakhur ya tak maksiar naka boys junior 68 kg bat u Gideon Tempun balakhur ya tak marnong naka men under 21 individual kata. Habe de bakani naka liang uba finally ulapan benaru ya kesong pisa ke balong marsan hajar tengka lengba ke MSOA syakini ki arngut ki klur ya lekai karate jong ka AMKA. Haswaban sedang syakmat iki jinga khun baro kaladon kejing puli ya kentin bam smai balalam khmat dau ba Daniel Dabyang Khhuborjylla bat hadien kani u kongsan ula Shim pat ya ka Bynta ban penbena ya kejing puli ya ka perda jong kani kejing yakop.
Good morning to all the athletes. At least time not for a lecture. I'll make it short. Once again, thank you to the Karate Association for a wonderful organization. As I've said all along, I'm no longer a guest. I'm a part of this family. You are the best association in Meghalaya. Congratulations. It's all because of your office bearers, the president, secretary, and the technical official who have been working hand in hand. So students, without these people, there is no tournament. So kindly please give hand to all the office bearer of the Karate. So I would thank the Karate for inviting me. All the best to all the schools. And also congratulations to the winner of those staff who brought glory to our state. Keep on going for the national game. Thank you. All the best for the whole 3 days. Thank you.
I'm very privileged to be here once again at this 32nd state level inter-school karate tournament. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the All Meghalaya Karate Inter-School Karate Tournament Organizing Committee for having organized this event, which I have tried to be part of every time you have this tournament. And I must say that you are one of the few state associations who have the inter-school program. So let's give all of you a clap that you have this program. I would also like to recommend you to thank the President, the Secretary and all the office bearers of the All Meghalaya Karate Do Association for their sacrifice, for their commitment to promote the sports. Because you know, it is very difficult to get volunteers. And I request you also to come forward to be volunteers, to take up, to create a club, because it's all voluntary. Nobody, gives you don't get paid to become a president or a secretary of an association. It's all voluntary. That today we are in a position, in a very, very important moment of the state, where we are going to, as you are all aware, we are scheduled to host the National Games in March next year. And we have roughly about 10 months to be ready. And I'm very happy to inform you that the government of Meghalaya, under the able leadership of Sri Conrad K. Samla, the Honorable Chief Minister, his cabinet, the Honorable Sports Minister, Sri Shillong, the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, the Meghalaya State Olympic Association, under the leadership of Finally El Pariat and other executive members, we are all working together to make it a successful event. And I'm very happy that we are on track and we are waiting for the ministry, the Government of India and the Indian Olympic Association to finalize the list of the sports which will be conducted for the National Games.
From the university side, as a token of appreciation for the medal winner, since we are not a rich association, we are giving 5,000 each to this South medal winner.
All the karatekas pledged that they will compete in this 32nd state level inter-school karate tournament 2026 in a true and fair manner, respecting and abiding by rules and regulations that govern the sport, and to participate in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of our school and for the glory of sports.
Pool A. The first fight is between of Minkin Christian High Secondary School and Frederick Panya St. Joseph High Secondary School.
Let's get ready. Stephanie Taryang Amka.
The second fight is
Khubor of Second High School versus Nakiman Batman Walang
Versus the Skul out. The next fight is between
The third fight is between Samhoy Mamsuno and Raymond Roy Bynta.
Next, get ready. Sneha.
Haduh.
After this fight, please get ready. Ivan Makura of Muslim Girls High Secondary School.
Khuborjylla Amka versus Henry Warsha K.
Next fight is between Ramlaji and Lingdo and Chisniel D. Moment.
The next fight is between Sneha Amka versus Patricia Dino. Sneha Amka. Khuborjylla Amka versus Henry Warsha.
Khubor Secondary School.